If you don't like spending a fortune but still want your iPhone running smooth, here's a budget-friendly battery replacement guide. Alright, let's talk cost. If you've got AppleCare Plus and your battery's below 80%, replacements are free. No AppleCare Plus? Expect to pay around R2,000 to R3,000 at Apple or authorized providers. Third-party shops? Prices range from R700 to R1700, but beware of non-genuine parts. Feeling adventurous? DIY kits cost just $30 to $45 USD, or R550 to R850. Got your tools ready? Here's a quick rundown of the steps. First, discharge your battery below 25% and power off your iPhone. Remove the two pentalobe screws near the charging port. Gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive, then use a suction cup to lift the screen. Disconnect the battery and screen cables. Carefully remove the old battery, place the new one, and reconnect everything. Finally, reassemble and test your phone. Need more details? Check out a detailed guide on iFixit or YouTube. Good luck with your DIY.